In this video, you are going to see how to insert a triangle with angle in Google Slides. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Shape and choose this shape, right triangle. Now hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. But there is a fill color, click on it, go to this option fill color, make it transparent. If you want to add a fill color, if you want to add a border color, you can add your desired border color from here. If you want to increase the border, go to over here and change the border. Now if you want to flip it, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, click on right button and go to rotate and click on flip horizontally, then it will be flipped. If you want to add the angle, go to Insert, go to line and choose this scribble and draw it like this. Select it, go to this option line color, make it the red color, go to line wide and change the same width of your angle and click on outside, and you will see this is looking good. Now if you want to add the angle, go to Insert, go to text box, drag it over here. From here decrease the font size, right here 90, increase the text box size, and I have to put the degree symbol. Go to Insert, go to special character, right here degree and select this one, then the degree will be inserted. Increase the text box size and put it anywhere, and this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.